So I'm using both principles again. Here we have 14 equals negative x minus 2. I want to get x by itself. I want to figure out what it is. So let's get rid of this first. If I'm subtracting 2, the opposite would be to add 2. I could write it here at the end or just underneath. If I do it on one side, I got to do it to the other side. Negative x minus 2 plus 2 is just going to be negative x plus 0. So in other words, just negative x. 14 plus 2 is 16. Make sure you understand that we're not finished because x isn't by itself. It's got that negative in front. Anytime this happens, if you want the quick solution, just change signs. X equals negative 16. If you want the long version of it, it's like you're dividing or multiplying by an imaginary negative 1. Negative 1 times x is imaginary 1 there. So if you divide both sides by negative 1, you'll get your negative 16. If you want to check your work, go for it. A negative, think of it like this. The negative is right there, but then x is negative 16 also. A negative 16 makes it positive 16. Minus 2 equals 14. The next one, we want to get x by itself. It says x divided by 3 minus 12 equals negative 9. Something divided by 3, take away 12, will give us negative 9. So if I want to solve for x, let's get rid of this 12 that we're subtracting first. So we add 12 on both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you do the other side. So x over 3 minus 12 plus 12, it's just going to be x over 3 plus 0. So it's just x over 3, this cancels, equals negative 9 plus 12. Make sure you understand that you have more positives than negatives. So it's going to be a positive 3. Be real careful not to let your mind get ahead of you right now. Some students will say 3 divided by 3 is 1, so x is 1. It's not correct. X divided by 3, something divided by 3 is 3. That's your answer, whatever that something is, and it's got to be 9. The way you do it is, to get x by itself, you got to eliminate this 3. If you're dividing by 3, the opposite is to multiply by 3. But if I do it on one side, I got to do it to the other side. That 3 and this 3 will divide into 1. It will become 1, so it's just x. 3 times 3 is 9. If you're not sure that you did the right thing, check your answer. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 take away 12 equals negative 9.